Once upon a time, in a small village, nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, lived a curious. Lily is a very kind-hearted girl. Lily had a little garden where she grew flowers of all colors. One day, as she was tending to her garden, she noticed a tiny, shimmering seed tucked away in a corner. Intrigued, Lily carefully planted the seed and watered it every day. To her surprise, the seed sprouted into a magical plant that bore the most extraordinary fruits. Each fruit had the power to grant a special wish. Word spread about Lily's magical garden, and soon the villagers lined up to make a wish. However, Lily noticed something interesting. The wishes that came true were the ones that would benefit not only the person making the wish but also others. For instance, a kind old man wished for a bountiful harvest for the entire village, and the next day, the fields were filled with ripe crops. A little girl wished for laughter and joy, and soon the whole village echoed with laughter. However, there was a lesson to be learned. A selfish young boy wished for endless candies only for himself. The next day, his room was overflowing with candies, but he couldn't enjoy them because he realized he was all alone. Lily, with her wise and caring heart, understood the magic seed's true power. The more selfish the wish, the greater the magic it held. The moral of the story is that true happiness comes from sharing and caring for others.